Everybody clear operators?
Yes.
Okay. See, basically in Java, generally what we can do, we can write the statements, right? Statements. So what are the types of statements here? Suppose here, if you open any of the source code, existing source code, 1 minute, let me open the source code. Statements will compose of one or other. In the statement, it will take the one or other operator help to perform some action. See, can you tell me what is the operators meant for? Operators meant for to perform. Anybody to perform calculations,
To calculate.
validations, and
Assignment.
Very good, very good, very good. Yesterday class we discussed, right? Operations meant for to perform
Validation,
assignment.
calculation.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. In every Java statement, you can see one or other. In every Java statement, you can see one or other statements here, one or other operators. One or other operators help. Meaning here is, if you see here, there is a dot symbol also, right? Dot means when you see anything in the dot, I'll discuss here. I'll discuss. Okay, I have opened the Eclipse. Okay, just I'm going into not class here. Okay, we are not created a project, sir. Okay, let me switch over to okay, no problem. See, I'm creating one project, new project, Java project. That is Java lang package. Okay, in this, yeah, my JR is attached. Control Shift T. I want to see the what is the source code of the string. How how the Java statements are attached in the string. You know, right? What is the shortcut for this? Can open Control Shift T. Okay, now see here. Okay, see here. Let me increase the font size so that everybody will get the visibility. Okay, now see here. See, when you see the any equal to operator, here is the what is that one? Array is the operator. In this statement, we can see array is the operator, right? When you see square basis, private static. See here, it is a what? Equal to, right? Assignment operator, right? Anybody?
Yes.
Yeah, next one is here. This is nothing but whenever you see new, that is nothing but object creation. We'll discuss in a while. See here. In this one, what is this one? Equal to. We are performing some assignment kind of thing. Right here. Now, see here. We are doing some assignment.
Assignment.
Yeah, also we are doing some assignment. Okay, clear my point here? 3 here. See here. How many statements in this constructor? How many statements? See, this is the one statement. That is okay. This is also one validation, right? This is also one statement. This is also one statement. Okay. See here, if you see anything in Java, any statements in Java must be take the help of any other statement. See here, this is a char set equal to null. This is what equal to null. Sorry, this is the operator. Throw new null operator. Clear here? Any doubt?
Clear.
Okay, now we are moving to object. So what is the object, and I'll discuss in this class. See, basically, wherever you see, we have seen, right? What is a class? What is a Java class? Come on, tell me. In technical terminology, it is a non-technical terminology. Java
the
class is a
blueprint.
blueprint. Yeah, Java class is blueprint to create objects, right? Now, so Java class contains what? Come on, tell me. Java class contains. Can you tell me? Can you recollect? Can you recollect? Java class contains. Yeah, what is that one? Data declaration statements. Clear, right? Data
Yes, yes.
declaration
Declaration
statements
statements.
and constructors. 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 Next one is blocks.
Methods.
Yeah, very good. Methods. Yeah, these are the things we can contain. Every Java class, we can take the help of another data type declaration, one or other constructors if needed. Blocks also we can see and methods also we can see. Okay, sir, here, what is the object here? What is object? Any idea? What is a object? What is the object here? Any idea? See, don't worry, as you see, right? Go to this one. See here, as I told you, right? There is a Oracle tutorial is there. Just you can see Java object in Oracle SC in Oracle. There will get a 2 or 3 notifications here. Yeah, 9 working with the object type. See here, this is the objects where we can see it. We'll see what is the system level proof, in Eclipse level, what is the object here. See here, a typical Java program creates many objects which interact with invoke the method. See why we need to create an object means concentrate here. Concentrate here. Basically, all the Java classes, right? As I told you, what is the import statement here? What is the import statement? We are, see, if you go to home, see here, meaning is, what are these import statements? See, import statements are nothing but we are importing another Java class or another Java abstract class to in this class, right? From this, suppose if you go to this one, like if you go to object stream field, inside this, see here, concentrate here. Inside this, there is 2 things here. Any Java class having the 2 things here. Concentrate here. Class, suppose I am taking the test class. Okay, I'm taking the test class. First one is instance data declaration. What is that? Instance data declaration. Yeah, constructors. Next one is instance blocks. What is that? Instance block. Next one is, okay, I'm talking about instance methods. Instance methods. See here, when you see instance, so here I can call as instance. Okay, both are one and the same. Don't confuse with the terminology. What is the object or what is the instance? See here, in any Java class, concentrate here. In any Java class, if you want to if you want to access the particular instance data, you want to call the constructor, or you want to invoke the instance blocks, or you want to call the instance methods, we require a instance of that class. Getting my point? Why we need object? In order to in order to get the invocation, meaning is, everybody clear? See here, I'll show you this one. See here, a typical Java program creates many objects which, as interact with by invoking the methods. I am not saying here what is the invocation. I need to, once we have a method, I need to call that method. Sir, what is the example? I will tell you. Sir, if it is an instance only, we can take the help of instance and we can invoke these methods, or we can invoke, meaning is, if it is a data, we can access it. If it is a constructor, we can call it. If it is a block, we won't call it here. Outside the class, we cannot call it. But if it is a method, we can call anywhere. Sir, what is the proof here? Come on, tell me here. Yeah. See here, in the string class, the string class. Yeah. See here. Wherever you see, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Not here. 1 minute. There is a all are static methods only. Control O. Let me get into some methods. Yeah. Okay. Sir, wherever you see dot, right? Wherever you see dot. Okay. I want to explain here. See here, wherever you see dot. Sir, here two things. Before the dot and after dot. As you can see here, it is a interface. Sorry, it is a class. You can see generally it is a class or interface or enum. Okay, dot. Sir, what we can access here? Dot means we can access here a property. A property. Sir, what is a property? Don't worry, yaar. Property is nothing but data only. Data declaration only. Property or data variables. Clear? Or method calls. Important here. Method calls. Method calls means method invoking. Method invocation. Clear? If you encounter dot, if you encounter any statement in the dot, see what we can think here. In the left hand side, a class, object, class, interface, enum, or one more thing here. Object reference also. What we can say? Object reference as well. Okay, object reference as well. Sir, what is the example here? What is the example here? What is the example here? See, can you tell me wherever you see dot, right? Clear, all of you. Before that, there is a something. After that, there is a something is there. That something I'll tell you. Okay, clear my point here. And okay, we'll discuss. This is the one statement. Go to the code. Yeah. Sir, come on, tell me wherever you see any dot here. In these statements, no dots, right?
Yes.
No dots, right? Okay. See here. There is a one dot here. Come on. Tell me.
Objects.
Object dot
Okay, wait.
required.
Can you correlate? Come on, tell me. Objects dot require not null. See here, object meaning is what is this one? Object may be, go to this one. Object may be a class. Clear my point? Right? Yeah. Now, can you tell me what is this require not null, non-null? It is a one method, one static method. That's why we are able to invoke this one as based on class. Clear my point? Any doubt? Static and instance I'll discuss later point two, but you need to concentrate the what are the statements here if you see the dot. Clear? Okay. Come on, tell me one more thing. Yeah. Wherever you see dot. Yeah. Come on here. See. Yeah. Message supplier dot get. Sir, message supplier is what? Where you have declared this is the supplier. In the supplier, we have it is a functional interface here. Okay, that is a different one, different story. We'll discuss later point of view. Java 8 features and all. Okay, clear? Go to this string class here. Wherever you see dot symbol. Yeah, see here. Okay. What is the value here? Value is a character. Now, this is the come again. Where it is using? Control K. Yeah, see here. See. Before that, there is a one more type of statements here available here. There is a one more type, form one. This is the form one. There is a one thing. This, okay. There may be this or super dot property or data declaration. Getting my point? See, whenever you see this R super dot property means what we are doing, this is we can treat as a initialization statement. This means current class, super means its immediate parent. Okay, we'll discuss that one. Okay, we'll discuss that one. But here, as of now, you can see value, sir, where value, this dot, this means current class. This value means, okay, we are passing some data to this character array. Clear, everybody? Okay, now here. Sir, what is trying to do here? If it is a this, okay, that is a file. Okay, next one is, see here. This dot value, original dot value. Original is the one string object. Okay, that is fine. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Hello?
Clear.
Any doubt? Okay, now we are moving into next topic here. Next topic means everybody clear, right? What is the operators and what is the do? See here, basically we covered. Let me go one more time for the sake of yours, just recap. See, as you see, right? List of operators we have around 46 operators are there in Java. Each operator meant for to perform assignment, validation, and what is that? Validations and come on, come on.
Calculation.
Yeah, see here,
Calculations.
validations, calculations, right? Assignment. See here. What are the two operators? Okay, see here, one thing. Okay, yeah, this is the thing. What we have covered here? What we have covered? What are the different types of operations we can perform by using operators? As you know, right? Assignment. Wherever you see symbol equal to, that is nothing but assignment. That association is right to left. Clear? Okay, wherever you see, that is the right to left. Second one is what? Second one is validations. Wherever you see, yeah, wherever you see here, this is the offset greater than value dot length minus count. When only this is validated and it will go to, if then true, that it will pass to this one. Okay. Now, what is the calculation? This is the calculations only. Clear my point here? All of you clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now, I'll see the what is the object here. I'll see what is the object. And as you know, right? What is the class? And now, what is the object? I'll tell you. See, when you how to create an object, I'll tell you are here. I am taking one class here for the sake of demo. Class. Okay. Class create object. Class create object. I'm taking com.lang package. Okay. See here. See. Here, okay, what is object creation? Simple, I'm taking the one main method here. The starting point of the JVM will come to this main method. The execution flow start here. Yeah, okay, it is not suggesting here. Yeah, it is the main method. Okay, now see here. The main method, this out, I'm saying, okay, some message here. Okay. Some message here. Okay, now see our style of execution is debug point only, right? Debug as Java application. See here, what is this one? Did I create any objects here? No, right? Hello, everybody respond.
Yes.
Have I created
Yes.
any? Have I created any object for this class? No, right? Sir, how? What is the proof
No.
to create object? See, wherever you see new operator, as I discussed, right? In any statement, we can see new operator. We can say that is nothing but object creation. Object creation. Clear, all of you? See, sir, here there is a two things here. New. What is the new statement? How to follow the new statement? I'll discuss here. I'll discuss in a while. But wherever you see new, that is nothing but object creation. Sorry, what is the proof here? I'll tell you. Control Shift T. Go to the string class or any class. Okay. I'll show you what is the object creation. See here. Open this class. Maximize it. Yeah. Wherever you see, just you can say new. Yeah. See here. Meaning is new. We are creating this object stream field class. This is the class, right? Okay, we are creating new class. New class means it is an object. So what it will do, I'll discuss here. Okay, now I'm moving forward here. Am I creating any objects here? No, right? I am not creating the any objects here. I am going to next step here. What is the where is we can go next step? Where is this one? Yeah, come to here. Yeah, if it's a F6, yeah, I'm going to this one. Just print it. Now concentrate here. Concentrate here. I am going to create one object for this one. Sir, as you know, how to create object? No, new. Okay, equal to, okay. Which object you want to create? Which class object you want to create? Yeah, this is the object creation. Now, what is the reference of this object? See here, I'll tell you. CR equal to new, we are passing something here. This is the object creation. Yeah, I'll tell you each of the thing. What is the thing? This one. Okay, don't worry about this one. Once I am creating the object for this class, right? Well, now come on, debug it. What it will do? What is the creating the object? Yeah, Java application. Yeah, save. Okay. See here. Now control will come to here. Now if I go move forward, see here, see. In the variable session, concentrate here. Everybody concentrate. Sir, in the variable session, how many variables in my code? As of now, how many variables in this class without object creation? Only arguments, as you know, right? How many types of variables in Java? We have parameters, also one variable, right? Now, after creating the object, we have one more variable is added into CR. That is the create object. Can you tell me now? Sir, CR is the one variable of object type. Any doubt in this one? Any doubt?
No.
No, right? CR is the one variable.
Create object.
CR is the one variable. Okay. CR is the one variable of type object type. CR. Once you go to into CR object, okay, once you go to into CR object, there is a something is created. Sir, that something I'll tell you what is the method call here. Now tell me. Okay. I'll discuss here. I'll postmortem here. What is this statement will do? Everybody understand here. What is the creating object here? Yeah. Creating objects. Yeah. Creating objects. Here. As you know, class provides the blueprint for objects. Everybody agrees this statement?
Yes.
Right? As you know, clear all of you? Any doubt? No, right? Now, concentrate here. You create an object for a class. Generally, what we can do here? We can create an object from class. Come on, concentrate here. We are creating the object for this class. How we are going to create? How we are going to create? Left side, there is a two parts here. I'll discuss here in point. Okay. Create. Okay, fine. The first, okay, see here. Each of these statements has a three parts. Details now. What is this? What is this? See, concentrate here. While object creation, what is the three things here? Declaration, instantiation, and initialization. Clear my point here? What is the three things here? Now see, we are going to create a point, similar thing here. In a similar way, we are going to. So declaring a variable that refer to an object. Okay. How can you declare a variable? See here, as you told you, right? Data type plus. How can you declare a Java in variable here? Come on, tell me. As you told you, right? Data type plus variable name. Right? Variable name. In a similar way, variable name. Variable name. Okay, this is the similar way. Now I am in a similar way. I am going to create a CR is my variable of type creation object. Okay, na? Okay. CR. This is a declaration. Okay. This modifies. See, come on, tell me in this statement. I am going to create a like this. Comma, Like this, I'm going to take. Okay. This is nothing but what? What is that one? Can you tell me what is this one? Declaration. This is nothing but declaration. Come on, tell me what is the declaration here? Declaration. The code set of what is this one? CR. Create object CR semicolon. That is the creation. Any doubt? Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Okay. Now, second one is what? Instantiating a class. Instantiating a class means what is the installation? The new operator instantiates a class. See here, concentrate here, yeah? Concentrate here. The new operator instantiates a class by allocating the memory for a new object, but returning return to the memory. Okay. Sir, what is the allocation of memory? I'll show you this one here. See. Okay. CR equal to like this. There are two statements here. CR equal to, I'm taking initially null. After that, I'm modifying the null value here. Okay, CR equal to this one. Okay, clear. Yeah. What is the creating the memory for what? Creating the memory for instance variable. Here, come on, debug mode, debug mode. You start the debug mode. Debug as Java application. Okay. Go to step over. Yeah, CR is created. Now it is pointing to null. Now it is representing some memory. Okay, that is fine. Now, when you take any instance variables inside this class, I am taking name of string type. Okay. ID integer type. See here. Okay. Now in this case, what happened? Come on, concentrate here. Debug as Java application. Okay, concentrate. See here. Observe carefully variable sessions. Observe carefully variable session. The moment I create the object, some changes is going to happen here. Concentrate here. I'm going to step over CR. Once this object creation is completed, you are going to see some changes here. That changes you need to let me know. See here. Yeah. Concentrate here. Yeah. See here. Everybody is clear, right? Now, the moment I create the object, there is two variables here assigned with. So am I creating 0 and provide 0 or null? Come on here. No, right? Who is creating? Who is see ID and the name? I have take the just a instance variable only. But who is the taking care of this 0 and assignment? Okay, somebody is doing that. Somebody is nothing but JVM. Meaning is allocate. See here, what is the memory here? As you see, right? See here, consider here. New operator instantiate a class by allocating the memory. What is the allocation of memory? What is the object creation here? At technical level, this is the proof. The moment if you create the object, your object creation is nothing but allocating the memory for instance variables. Sir, what is the proof? This is the proof. This is the proof. Meaning is your JVM is allocating some memory to this name and ID. If you don't initialize this instance variable based upon the type, if it is a name means it is a null and ID means 0. Why? What is the because of this? What is the doing? There is some internal is happening here. I'll discuss internal later point of view. But your JVM is doing this allocation. Everybody clear? What is the object creation here? What is the object creation? Object creation is nothing but to create a memory for instance variable. Sir, if I define some local variables here, int local variable, local var equal to 12, 23. Okay. Suppose if I declare a local variable, sir, my JVM will responsible to create the local memory. No, yeah, let me discuss. Let me see this one. New Java application. See, concentrate here. Okay. Now I'm going to forward. Okay. See here. Now see. Here, how many variables we have? Basically, local variable is the 23. Okay, 3 variables. Arguments, local variables, and create. Okay. Clear my point here? Now, local variables are JVM is not responsible. That is your responsibility. Once local variables created, suppose if you want to initialize, if you don't want to initialize, definitely it's a compile time error. See here. What is the compile time error here? See here. Concentrate here. Local variable. See this value of the local variable, local var is not used. Meaning is local variable you want to initialize. Okay, I'll discuss later point of view. Concentrate here. Clear? What is the allocation of memory? Now, next one is initializing an object. Initializing an object means you want to link these two. You want to, here is the two statements, right? You want to link these two. That is nothing but object allocation. Sir, in the pictorial way, we'll see this one. Clear my point here? In the pictorial way, I'll see this point. Yeah, okay. Okay, in the pictorial way, I can see this point. Okay. Okay. So what is the statement? This is the statement. Okay, this is the statement. See, here is two statements, right? First one is object creation. Okay, object creation. In this object, what is the data here? Data is, what is the instance variables here? Come on, say it. ID and a name. Okay, ID and a name. See, whenever you are creating this line is executing, what JVM will do here? JVM will create an object. Is the CR is your reference. CR is your reference. CR is this reference. Okay, now it is allocating the null as a value and ID as a 0. Who is assigning these values? JVM is assigning these values. Everybody clear? Everybody is clear? Sir, based upon the type. Sir, I want to show, who is that? Manikantara is waiting for, okay, yeah. Sir, I want to show how all the types in Java. See here, concentrate here. All the types means, as you know, right? Come on, tell me, what is the integer data hold? Integer data, come on, tell me here. Integer type of data, how can you hold in integer type of data? Come on, tell me. We have a byte. Come on, yeah.
Byte.
Okay, we have a byte. Byte A. Next one is
Short.
short. Okay. Okay, next one is integer. Integer C. Next one is long. Long D. Next one is what? Bigger. Big integer. Big integer.
Big byte,
BB.
big integer.
Somebody please go on mute here. I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Next one is what? Bigger
Big
integer. Yeah, big integer. BI. Okay, this is the integer type of data. Now I want to import this one here. Big integer is not there in the math. It is a match package. Now come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. This is the float data. How I can do? I want to store here float data. Float F. Okay. Now double D.
decimal.
Yeah. Now what is that one? Big decimal. Big decimal. Yeah. Big decimal. BD. Now, okay. Clear my point here. Now I want to see how these are calculating. What is this? Yeah. Okay. There is some D. Okay. Now come on. Tell me what is the last type? What is that? Sorry. Char data. Char data. How can you hold the char data? See, char equal to char. Okay, char CC. Okay, now what is the, how can you store the string data? String data. String data, or you can say any object reference. String data or okay. Okay, how can you store? String name. Okay, so suppose, sir, just I am declaring these variables, right? Just I am declaration. Am I providing any value to this one? No, right? Now, who is doing this one? Let me debug it here. Let me debug it. Now, let me debug it. Or you want to start the debug mode directly, you can start here. Yeah. Okay, that is the one way. We have one luxury. See here. Now, the moment I create object, right? Yeah, I'm going to this one. Yeah, see here. Now, see. See here, when I create the object, see here. What is the default values here? Concentrate here. A is a what type? A is an integer type. That's why default value is 0, 0, null. And space means character is a space. All are 0.0, null. Clear? Who is assigning this one here? Who is assigning this one means?
JVM.
Yeah. Why JVM is assigning? Why JVM is assigning? Yeah, there is some story here I want to discuss. As part of object creation, you know, up to here, this is the object reference. Now, after new operator, we are invoking something. Clear? We are invoking something. 1 minute here. I'll come back. 1 minute. We'll start. Yeah. Any doubt? Yeah. Basically here, sir, what is this one? Yeah. Can you tell me? Anybody? Anybody idea? What is this? Yeah. What is this? This is a constructor. As I told you, right? This is the constructor. Sir, in Java, as I told you, right? Inside a Java class, instance data. What is the second one? Constructors.
Constructor.
Yeah. What is a constructor means? Constructor class name is same. Sir, I want to identify constructor name and class name is same. Class name is same. Class name is same. Now, same. Okay. Now, second point is how many constructors we can write inside a class? How many constructors we can write? Come on, tell me. Inside Java class, how many constructors? Only one or
N
n?
number of.
Okay, very good. Here, n number of constructors we can write. Now, third one is what is the need of constructor? There. What is anybody? What is the need of constructor? What is the need of constructor? See here. See here, I am introducing the terminology. If you are not passing here, am I passing any data to this constructor? No, right? No. In the parenthesis, am I passing anything?
No.
No, right? No. That's why. In the left side, if you see here, yeah. Providing a constructor, providing constructor to your class. See here, see. See here, consider here. A class contains constructors that are invoked to create object from the class blueprint. Sir, when this consider in your mind, when these constructors are invoked, meaning is the moment when you are trying to create the objects, the constructors are executed. Getting my point, all of you? When the constructors are executing, the moment if you are creating the objects only, constructors are invoked. Constructor declaration look like a CR. Don't confuse here. See, constructor declarations look like a method declaration, except what is that? What is the difference here? See here, except they are use the name of the class. Okay, don't confuse with your class name. Your constructor name must be same, and there is no return type. For example, clear my point? Clear my point? How can you identify? How can you identify the constructor and the class here? See here, what is the need of constructor? I'll tell you in the later point. See here, come on, tell me. If you say control O, see here, what is the shortcut here? When you say here, control O, what is the control O? Once you open any class, just you can say control O, you will get all these details. Meaning is what this data, all these members of data. See here, in the IDE level, there is one proof here. Wherever you see C, right? In the blue, what is that? Green color. C means what? Come on, yaar.
Constructor.
Yeah,
Constructor.
very good. How many constructors in this class here? How many can I count it? So many, na? Only one, na? So many, right? Now I want to discuss what is the need of. Any doubt? Any doubt here? See, basically, come on, yaar, somebody go on mute.
ప్రయాణికులు తప్పనిసరిగా కోవిడ్ నిబంధనలు పాటించేలా ఆర్టీసీ అధికారులు బస్ స్టాండ్లలో ఉంటూ పర్యవేక్షిస్తున్నారు.
No. Okay. See, this is the constructor. Who is that guy? Yaar? Okay, unless I want to mute all. That is the best option here. Okay, now. Okay, good. See here, if you say control O, whenever you see see here all the constructors. Okay, in the similar way, see here, where I am passing here 0 params, I am passing string kind of data, something, right? In a constructors we can pass. Okay, now Clear all of you? Okay. What is the need of constructor here? What is the need of constructor? Okay. Sir, the moment I write, sir, here you can observe one thing here carefully. Just I am calling this constructor, right? Sir, is there any constructor here? No, right? Hello? Is there any constructor in my class as of now? No, right?
No.
Sir, how you are able to calling the constructor right now? See here, I'll discuss here, concentrate here. What is the need of constructor means to initialize some data, default values to your instance variable. So instance variable. Variables are variables. Clear my point here? Sir, in this class, what are the instance variables? Just now we have written the class, right? What are the instance variables? These are all nothing but instance variables. Okay, now see here, there is one more thing. Sir, here I am passing this constructor. Okay, I am writing explicitly. Sir, if you don't write also, who will write this one? Compiler will add the 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, concentrate here. Concentrate. See, if you don't provide this zero param constructor, who is providing this zero param constructor? Compiler will add this compiler, yeah, not JVM. Yeah, who is that one? Compiler will add a zero param constructor. Meaning is compiler changes this one to zero param constructor. Sir, what is the proof? What is the proof here? Just I will show you. Sysout and invoking zero param. Okay, zero param. Let me debug it. Debug as Java application. See here. Yeah, okay. When the constructor is calling, see here now. Yeah, clear, right? Zero param constructor is invoking. This is a zero param constructor invoking. We are calling this one. Okay. Whenever you call this one, that all the instance data will be assigned to default values. Okay. Now it is moving forward. Yeah, that is a different story. Okay, clear. Clear all of you? Sir, what is the need of constructor here? What is the need of constructor? To initialize the default values to your instance variables. Then we can take the help of zero param constructor. Zero param constructor. This is the first point. Clear, everybody? Can you understand? To initialize the default values to your instance variable or variables, then we can take the help of zero param constructor. What is a zero param constructor? Same name with the class. Suppose, can you tell me? Okay, I have a class like this. Concentrate. I have a class like test. Can you tell me how to write a constructor here? Yeah, what is a constructor name, class name must be same. We can provide the 0. Here is the default zero param constructor. We can say default constructor as well. Okay, clear? All of you clear here? Any doubt?
Yes.
Okay, now see here. That is the thing. Sir, I don't want to pass default values. I want my own values whenever object is created. Suppose see here, I'll tell you again. Debug as Java application. Okay, now see here. Okay, each copy of variable we have a one type of variable. See, okay. See here. No. Again, I need to debug it. One more thing. Debug as Java application. Now, here is all my variables are okay. Yeah, all my variables are default values. See, default values is A is a 0. No. I don't want. A is a 1, 2, 3, and okay, incompatible. What is this? I want to modify 2. Okay, generating values int not compatible with the type byte. Okay, yeah, no problem. See, I want my own values here. I want my own values. Then we can take the help of 0 or 1 param or 2 param constructors. Clear my point? Sir, here, yeah, simple thing. I have a instance variables. I need to provide some data. Meaning is I want to provide some assignment to instance variables. Now, with the help of first way is with the help of constructor, we can pass here. Okay. I'm going to stop here, yeah, from today class. Tomorrow class we'll discuss. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll share this document with you. Today recordings as well. Yesterday class I forgot to record here. Basically, this is the class where you will get all the recordings. Just go to the recordings and come back with your questions. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.